ug Madayaw. My name is Jewel Obilito, representing Marfuri. Due to our systematic gender discrimination, we trans women, we face significant challenges with regards to our employment. That's why I'm advocating for equal job opportunity for trans women. Thank you, mabuhay.
Mabuhay and Marial, and to our beautiful friends in the media, good evening. My name is Julie Tobiga de Harlem. I represent the city, which is Davao City. Diversity is our beauty. I am currently residing in Barangay Maan, and that is I proudly represent right now. I am advocating for empowering young trans women because I truly believe that empowerment should be coming from within.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aya Francesca Maribojo, and I am representing Bahada, and I advocate for education and workplace inclusivity. Thank you.
I hope you guys are having a great time. Holote 35 Takunan. 35 years of existence, I carried in my heart a line that says, life is here. I was able to visit other countries, first world countries, and I saw that their best practices was to encourage individuals to help one another for their economic growth. I wanted to bring that here in my homeland, Davao City, to see individuals working hand in hand, the privileged and the underprivileged. Imagine that phrase. And that program is called No One's Left Behind. Thank you.
Ayon ni hapon kanatong tanan, Madayaw. I am Kylie Noel Pasaje, 27, representing Barangay Mandug. As a transgender and a proud business owner, I would like to engage my fellow transgender women or the people in the LGBT community to venture a business where they can be more creative and be their authentic self instead of going to a more exploitative industry like cybersex and prostitution. Maayong hapon.
Maayong adlaw kaniyong tanan. I'm MJ Avenido, 31 years old, the representative of Barangay R. Castillo, Agdao. My advocacy is called Project Japoy, which aims to help our young generation or the Batang Kabayutan with arts and design, and also aims to help the less fortunate, especially our brothers and sisters in the LGBT community. That will be all. Thank you and good day.
Madayaw, Davaoenos. My name is El Manuel. Proud and honored to represent the biggest and the largest barangay here in Davao City, which is Barangay 76-A Bukano. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been working in the corporate world for 11 years and was deprived the opportunity to climb the corporate ladder because of my gender identity. And today, I am standing in front of you in my hopes that we will be heard, that the city ordinance of our city and the laws that has been already implemented are not just archives in our city. It is not just a concept that not implemented. I am here to fight for discrimination, exploitation, deprivation, and the like, because we, the members of the LGBTQIA+ community, have contributed much in this never-ending run of humanity in order for equality to be intensified. Thank you.
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. My name is Mimi Arawiran, 36, straight from Barangay Sasa. My advocacy is all about FAP, Family Acceptance Project. I believe that it is my calling to educate every parents that if you have the LGBTQ kids members, embrace them and never disown them. Because I can able to relate myself in a situation. I was a closet queen before. I'm scared to show my sexuality because the discrimination is always waiting. I am a junior and my father don't want me to be like this. But proud to say that I'm the breadwinner of the family. Why I'm saying this? Because I would want to educate every parents to embrace them, because most of the LGBTQ kids members are the breadwinner of the family. We do this not for ourselves, for our dreams, but for giving them a sustainable life. Thank you.
Madayaw, Davao. My name is Star Pagtalunan, 28, from NHA Bangkal. I stand here to protest and to advocate for body positivity. I feel like everyone should feel comfortable being themselves without mockery and unsolicited opinions. So I stand here and I believe that it's about time to challenge societal beauty standards. Thank you.
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. Standing in front of you is a product of a gay father. I'm from a broken family, but not with a broken dreams. My advocacy is titled Project BP, or should I say, Project Bahay Pag-asa. It aims to provide shelter for our elderly gays. Because most of us transgender or members of the LGBTs are known to be breadwinners of the family. We aim to provide for our family. We aim to provide for our dreams. But we often forgot the key word that we too are aging. We need this bahay pasilungan for our elderly gays, for us to see ourselves in the near future together. Ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears. This is Gwen Darwin, and today I will mark my own history. Thank you.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. I am Cheska Marie Montes. I am 27 years old, proudly representing Tiril, and I advocate moral recovery program for the LGBT community. Because for the past years, we fought for inclusivity. But the question is, why this pursuit remains pursuit? Simply because in our community, we are not inclusive. And I think this is the right time for us to be one, to be here as one. And I know in the future, our quest for inclusivity will finally turn into its sweetest reality. Thank you.
Mabuhay o madayaw. Ako si Nicolaya Morano, ginarepresenta ang Barangay Alfonso ang Leonta Senior. Ang akong advokasya, continuing the legacy of the Reina Davaoenas 2019, SOGI Information and Education, now in the workplace.
Mabuhay o madayaw, good afternoon, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our Muslim brothers and sisters. This is Rian Bukhaw Khalsa, 22, representing Barangay Panakan. Today, I stand before you to advocate for a crucial aspect of healthcare that directly impacts the lives of my transgender sisters. Gender-affirming hormone therapy. This gap is not just a matter of choice. It is a matter of necessity, dignity, and our fundamental right to live authentically and healthily. Maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon, my name is Sharpay Repito Dalog, all the way from Barangay Kalinan. As a survivor of self-harming and suicide, I am now an advocate of mental health awareness and easier access to counseling. Thank you.
My due respect to all members of the press. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is Kimuel Abelia Cortez, Barangay Catalunan Pequeño. As a public servant, I have realized that the opposite of social inclusion, which is the absence of inclusivity, is not only experienced by the LGBTQIA+ community. It is also experienced by our IP, Muslims, brothers and sisters, and other minorities. With that, I stand here today to fight for equal representation, for I strongly believe it is the key towards the authentic realization of social inclusion. Thank you.
Mabuhay o madayaw. This is Joanna Marie Mendoza, 22 years old, representing Barangay Buhangin proper. My advocacy is called Cutting the Way Through Life. This is a livelihood program that help our LGBT brothers and sisters and to promote a living so that we could help them to make a living. So thank you.
My name is Sarah Andrea Ronquillo, all the way from the home of the champion, Barangay Talomo. I am a cosplayer trans woman and a proud trans mother. My advocacy is for the trans parent like me to avoid the discrimination. At naniniwala ako na sa patimpalak na ito, may isang inang tatatak. Thank you.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. This is Angel Montenegro, proudly representing Matina. And I am standing for our pioneers of LGBTQ community, which is we should give them important their existence in this world because they need a nice shelter, a livelihood program for them to feel that they can forget how to grow old in our community. So we should give back to them. Thank you so much.
Mabuhay ug Mario everyone. My name is Renzi Rice and I'm representing El Rio. By the way, I'm 25 years old and I am here advocating for my fellow in the rainbow community. My advocacy is called Gawa Bahaghari. It's a basic livelihood skills training program that is intended to at least alleviate them from their low socioeconomic status. We have so much talent, and if we can utilize that, then this will be an incredible nation. Thank you.
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. This is Terrence Adolfo, 21 years old, proudly representing Obrero. My advocacy titled Hinay-Hinay Pero Magpadayon, Tabang Para sa Kaugmaon, which is focusing on the out-of-school within the Rainbow community and who's part of the Rainbow community that have been able to pursue the education. Because I wanted to walk with them towards their journey of success by giving them equal opportunity in education. That will be all. Thank you.